everyone, welcome back. So I have another haul video for you from Black Friday Cyber Week. Don't worry, I promise we are getting to the end. I just wanted to split them up so that it wouldn't be one like super long extended video. And today's haul video is from Ulta Beauty. So I'm going to show you a couple of the things that I picked up from their Black Friday sale. I've got them all laid out right here, so I'm going to just grab them one by one. The first thing I got is my Holy Grail mascara from Decay. Love this mascara. You know, I keep trying other brands of mascara, sample boxes, beauty boxes, subscription boxes, the sample sizes where you get a bunch of different mascaras in like one box, and I keep coming back to my OG Urban Decay Perversion. It's my perfect mascara, which, you know, everyone has their favorite, and that's mine. And on that note, I have, so I normally use this eyelash, like, healthy growth serum from, it's called Lash Boost. It's from, oh gosh, what company? Ooh, hold on. Sorry about that. I had to go look at the tube. So the Lash Health Growth Serum that I have been using is Lash Boost from Roden & Fields. And I thought during the Black Friday sale I might try this one that seems really popular from Grande Lash MD. So I'm excited to try this. And the next thing I got are these two awesome products from UOMA Beauty. So this is the Trippin Smooth Powder in shade Light. And this is the Trippin Smooth Face Primer. I already have the foundation, so I wanted to get both the powder and the primer so I could see how well all of them sit together. I also have the concealer, so I can see how all of the products mesh together. You know, normally when you buy face products like that from the same brand, everything works well together, but you never know. Everyone's skin is different. We'll go on that journey together. And because I bought that from Ulta, they also sent me a little sample of this mascara from UOMA Beauty as well. There was one thing that I purchased that before I even filmed this video I didn't like, so I returned it. And that was the Smashbox Cali Contour Palette. I got the light medium shade, and it was not the right shades for me. It was too light, not pigmented enough, and honestly, like, the picture and what you got in person were two very different colors. So if I remember to, I'll show up pictures right here during editing so I can show you what arrived versus what was advertised, and you can see why I was a little bit kind of like, ee, you know. But anyway, moving on. Last thing from Ulta are these lipsticks from Stila Beauty, or Stila Cosmetics, sorry. Stila Cosmetics, and these are the Stay All Day Shimmer Liquid Lipsticks. Yes, I only bought the shimmer ones because I was feeling festive and in the holiday season. So the shades that I purchased were Patina Shimmer, which is an OG favorite for me, DaVita, Capri Shimmer, and Miele Shimmer. I'll show you each one individually, but I'm going to do a separate swatch video later because I'm trying to plan content for next year. So please don't be mad at me that I'm not swatching them now. So this one is Miele Shimmer, and this is what it looks like. This one is Capri Shimmer. The next one is DaVita. Look how gorgeous this one is. Oh, man. The others are like beautiful nudes, but this is just like really sexy, like vampy red, you know? And then one of my favorites for years and years and years, Patina Shimmer. And those are my Black Friday Cyber Week purchases from Ulta Beauty. Being the person that I am, I also made some purchases from Ulta Beauty the week before Black Friday because I needed some things. And then I needed some more things that are on sale this week, so I just made like another purchase from Ulta yesterday. Let me know if you are enjoying haul videos so that I know if you want to keep seeing the things that I buy, like, as I'm unboxing them. Otherwise, these videos are just for me, which is totally fine. But let me know if you are enjoying them so I know to do more of them, because I buy things sporadically. Sometimes it's a mini haul, it's like 2 or 3 products. Sometimes it's a little bit larger, like the next one I'm gonna post. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring that notification bell. And I hope you are having a wonderful, fantastic day.